what made you, quit the industry, go into entrepreneurship? Tell us about that.
Yes, the business was good. The money was really, really good, and I was a little bit of.
Were you in investment banking?
Yes, I was part of the investment banking. I was in the investment banking, stockbroking kind of business.
Okay.
And in those days, that will tell you how my age. That will tell you my age. But in those days, I got a chance to ride the oil and gas boom.
Okay.
I got a chance to ride the S-chip boom. The China companies coming to Singapore. This was the early 2000s, right? So you can tell we made like crazy amount of money.
You were trading in the markets when you were in your 20s.
That's right. Yes. So I mean, I grew up in a pretty broken family. So I was living on my own already at 22 years old.
Nice.
And I mean, the career was good. At 26 years old, bought my first apartment in District 11. Kind of. Yeah, it sounds like you, bro. Exactly. So the thing that I was really pursuing, now I realize, was actually acceptance and family. I was chasing the dollar so that I could have a house, and in my mind, so that I could get married and have a family. Because I never had that since I was young. So, short story, I did very well and wrote the markets. But 2011, 2011, I was in stockbroking, and through a very.
How did 2008 go?
Oh, I'm scared.
Unscared? Are you serious? Tell me the secret, man.
No secret, man. God just protected me and I was unscathed. Right?
Seriously? Like, did you get out of the markets, or were you like hedged, or?
No, I think we were just very defensive then in our positioning. So yeah, we were unscathed. In fact, I think it's all timing. So for example, I bought my first apartment in 2005.
Yeah.
And literally a couple of months after I bought my apartment, I still remember Price Organization raised their prices for properties 10%, and the stock market was just, the real estate market just went crazy. So if you track real estate prices, after 2005, 2006 always began to really, really boom. And I bought it just before, so same way in 2008, I think God really just protected me. I wouldn't say it's any smarts of my own. I mean, we were, of course, just careful and all that. Irony of it, 2011, there was no financial crisis, markets very stable. I experienced 2 million defaults for my clients.
Okay.
In other words, overnight, I was liable for $7 million.
Wow.
Overnight. All right. Yeah. And short story again, I lost everything.
It's 2011.
11.
Wow.
2011. I lost everything. My apartment, my cars, watches, all the different things. And so I literally lost everything. The only thing that I did not become was a bankrupt, thank God for that, but nonetheless, didn't mean I didn't have debts to clear. And so that began my journey of recovery, ironically, right? So no financial crisis, but the financial crisis for me. Okay, and that became my whole journey. And after pastoring for 2 years, God just opened the doors for me to get back to business, and the journey I described to you, starting the business, one door open after another, and it's just what it is today.
Wow.